In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Binance Auto Invest in just 5 minutes. Whether you've signed up for Auto Invest to consistently build your crypto portfolio but changed your strategy, or you simply want more control over your investments, we're here to guide you through the process smoothly. Let's dive in and cover everything you need to know to successfully cancel your Auto Invest plan on Binance. First things first, ensure you have the Binance app downloaded on your mobile device. Go ahead and open it up. Once you've done that, enter your login credentials to access your account. Remember to keep your account details secure as you do so. Binance values your security and encourages maintaining strong passwords that are regularly updated. Now, with your account open, locate the More option on the home screen. This is your gateway to accessing various features within the app. Tap on More and you'll see a list of different services and options. One of those options is Auto Invest. Select that and it will bring you to the Auto Invest section of the app. Next, you want to tap on My Plan. This area displays all the auto investment plans you have set up. It provides a quick overview of your ongoing investment strategies. Take a moment to review the plans listed to ensure you have a clear picture of your investments. This can be a good time to decide which specific plan you wish to disable, considering all your financial goals and strategies. Now focus on finding the specific auto invest plan you'd like to cancel. Browsing through your list, keep an eye out for the details to ensure you are looking at the correct one. It's essential to verify this step to avoid unwittingly altering the wrong plan, which might still align with your investment goals. Once you've identified the plan you wish to cancel, you'll notice a small pencil icon beside it. This icon is your access point for editing your plan details. Tap on it, which will present you with options to manage your plan. When those options appear, look for the Remove Plan command. Tap on it to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation may pop up to ensure that you indeed wish to cancel this plan. Follow through with confirming this action. This final step ensures that the auto investment is officially disabled, providing you with the assurance your plan has been updated according to your wishes. Congratulations, you've successfully turned off your Binance Auto Invest plan. Remember, investment is a dynamic process and plans can change. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps should you ever wish to adjust your investment strategies again. Thank you for watching and happy investing.